Hi, my name is Mansour Hobeika. I've been with Tremco for a little bit over 16 years. We started as a family, small family of 3 people, and now we have grown to close to 10 people. And my experience with Tremco has been very, very rewarding on all levels, knowledge, relationships, and just a general feeling of well-being in a company that looks after its employees. The experience that I've had so far has been tremendous, and more doors are being opened with the new management, with the new changes. Changes always on the positive side. We've had ups and downs like any family, but we came out very, very happy at the end. And like I said, the opportunities keep growing and growing, and we are a close-knit family. We are extremely happy together. We work in such a coherent way that it makes me want to stay longer and longer until basically I stop working. So this explains my feelings towards Tremco and towards Tremco illbruck, and towards the new management and towards my colleagues. So I hope everybody feels the same. Like I said, we're a very happy family, and we hope to continue that way. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Stuart Wakeham. I'm the Regional Sales Director for Tremco illbruck in the Middle East. I've been with the company for nearly 30 years, 22 of which have been spent in this very interesting and dynamic part of the world. When we started, we had a turnover of about $2 million. Now we're at 15, 16 million. So our growth has mirrored the growth that we've witnessed in the region over the past several years. I think, if anything, the secret of our success is the tremendously broad product range that Tremco illbruck has to offer. We offer a truly one-stop shop to our customers. And I think also that, backed up by a good, consistent local technical presence, has really enabled us to build very meaningful partnerships with a lot of our very valued customers. We've seen success in all areas geographically across the region. Obviously the UAE is at the head of that. We also have very successful businesses in Saudi Arabia, in Qatar, and all of the other GCC countries.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank the organizers of the event. I think it's very positive to have this kind of conferences where all the people from the industry join together and participate and express the new developments in industry and in glass. Also discuss important topics such as today with fire and different ratings of products that are available in the market in the UAE, compliance with local codes. And again, it's important to have these events and to bring through all the people from the industry together. Thanks very much.
Good afternoon. We have been using Tremco more than 22 years. Tremco is a very durable product. We have used this product near the sea, and we never had any quality problems. We have used this product in some of our mega projects like Dubai Airport, Emirates Tower, Faisalia, Kingdom Tower, ITCC, Palm, Index Tower. We are one of the largest IGU manufacturer in Middle East. Probably in Asia, about 800,000 square meter of insulated glass we made last year using Tremco product. Tremco is very good because their service after sales is very good, technical backup is very good, product is very reliable and it is very durable. Even though they are not very cheap when compared to their competitors, we recommend Tremco because of their durability and because of the service they offer. And I personally using Tremco from last 25 years without any quality problems at all. All that we need to do is better in-house testing, quality testing, and the product is so friendly, user-friendly that you will not have problems. Thank you very much.
Okay, it's with great pleasure to mention that I've been invited to this event, and to be very frank, I was not anticipating that number of participants will be so many, and it's probably crossed 150. The event was well organized and the topics were well covered. The speakers were really good. The most important element which I find was appealing to me, that interaction. So the audience were pretty much involved in the questions and answers, and it became a sort of two-way discussion in the end when the building department officials were also speaking. So that's I would like to mention that Tremco has a system which is for almost all the fire protection, fire stopping, passive fire systems, especially on the through penetration and facade system. And I wish all the best for Tremco in their endeavor in the UAE and the Middle East.
I'm Agnes Kortai from Kortai Facade. I was the first speaker together with my colleague Guillermo this morning, and I would like to say thank you for the organizers to give us the opportunity to talk about our project, the Opus, which is getting built in Dubai, and it has a very complex freeform facade. We presented this case study. We experienced great.
Hi, my name is Mike Luna. I'm the Director and General Manager of Intertech Testing Services. We're in the assurance, testing, inspection, and certification business. I work in the Middle East, in various forms. One is our building testing and certification business, which we help the civil defense provide certificate of conformance for products trying to enter the market. We also provide building science consultancy, where we can help on the facades of buildings, doing drawing reviews, field inspections, field testing, providing information to building owners to assure that the buildings are airtight and perform as intended. There are many things that the building envelope industry needs here in the Middle East, and we anticipate that the market is growing. Buildings are getting further and further along, codes are developing. I want to thank Tremco for allowing us to present at this special conference. It was very well organized, very well run. We had great speakers, and I thank everyone for the opportunity to let the Middle East know about Intertech and its services. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for giving this opportunity for introduce alcoholic products, especially here in Dubai. The fire regulation for HCP getting strict and severe. So we are very glad to have this opportunity to introduce our product, and we'd like to supply safe HCP for this market and for a project in the future as well. Thank you very much.
I would like to thank the organizer for inviting us to such an important event, which we feel we have a big role as a certification body, whom ensuring the compliance of different facade products to be as per standard and requirements and regulation of Dubai Municipality, Dubai Building Department, DCD, and we are one of the major parties whom are working with DCD and Building Department in order to unify our requirement for certifying different facade products available in our market. Many thanks again, and we were very happy to be in this event, which was very interesting. We have a lot of information from different audiences and participants, which will help us to improve our certification system and the standards. Many thanks.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Hartmann. I'm working for Tremco illbruck and I'm heading the business unit South. That represents France, Spain, Portugal, Italy, Turkey and Middle East, and this is why I'm here today. We just had an incredible conference with more than 150 participants, people coming from specification jobs like engineering offices, architects, windows manufacturers, rose suppliers and so on. That was a very good presentation. I'd like to give you some words on Tremco illbruck. Tremco illbruck is the wedding of a company called Tremco based in USA and illbruck, a German company. This Tremco bought illbruck and merged into Tremco illbruck. Tremco illbruck is a fully owned company by RPM. RPM is a multinational based in Ohio, Cleveland, doing roughly 4.7 billion euro, or billion dollars, let's say, turnover. We're here today to talk a little bit about Middle East. And the reason why I want to talk about Middle East is because its GCC environment is an incredible place where there are incredible opportunities. It's a booming market. Dubai, UAE is growing very fast. We, Tremco illbruck, are putting more and more efforts in resources, human resources, ERP, we're upgrading the Navision system. We are putting efforts in putting more people in specification. Tremco illbruck has 3 brands for this market. The first one is Tremco, concentrating on IG and SSG, so structural glazing and insulated glass. The second brand is illbruck. That's a brand for the construction windows market. And the third brand is called Nullifier. That's specifically for fire stopping products and intumescent coating products. Very important these days, especially with the latest news on what happened in Dubai and the fire on the big towers. So we're pushing a lot of these products. We are hiring another person to really develop intumescent coating in Middle East. Tremco illbruck recently bought a company called Firetherm, and the biggest customer of Firetherm is based in Middle East. He's called SIG, so that's another way to develop and support this region with our Nullifier products. A last point about the team here. We have about 10 people. There is a legal entity called Tremco illbruck LLC based in Dubai. We have a warehouse. We have 5 salespeople. We have 1 person called Leonor Lim. This person organized, by the way, this conference this morning, and she's responsible for marketing and specification, doing an incredible job in these 2 departments. The sales force is divided in 2. There are 3 people heading IG and SSG in countries like Saudi, Kuwait, Qatar, Bahrain, and the UAE. And then we have 1 person developing construction and Nullifier, and we're adding 2 more people in this organization. Last point, to summarize a little bit, if I compare Middle East with European countries, and that's not an easy comparison because if you look at the market in Europe is either flat or decreasing, whereas the market in Turkey and Middle East is really growing. So we're really putting a lot of efforts in this country and in this region, and I'm very glad to have this team dedicated to this region. Thank you.
Okay. My name is Yoshio Kuhara from Mitsubishi Plastic Inc. I'm a business manager of Alporic. As you know, we are #1 aluminum composite manufacturer in the world. We are factory in Japan, Germany, and the United States. We try to support and help your business, especially in the fire regulation in Shibuya, this area. We are support as much as well. We are #1 HEM manufacturer, Alporic. Thank you.
My name is Aus Saleh. I'm the area manager of Rainers Middle East, based in Dubai. I had been joined Rainers Aluminium like for the last 5 years. We just start our offices here in Dubai for 2 years, and we have a plan to reach our target for 2020 for 20 million euros here in the Middle East. Working with Rainers Aluminium, it was a big challenge for me, and actually it was an opportunity for us because Rainers Aluminium, they have the widest range of aluminium products in the world. The event was very successful from my opinion actually. All the customers which we invited, they came. They were very happy from the presentations.
I'm Abdullah Mayouf, Technical Manager of Rainers Middle East. I'm working in Rainers since 2004. So we are, as Rainers Middle East, the regional office in the Middle East to support the clients, to support the architects, consultants in the area. Sure, it's a stable company and always innovation in the company, and more systems is coming in the coming years. As usual, we start with the systems. Now we have always a new system every year. So it's a challenge also from for our side to develop ourselves and to develop the markets. It's very good. Our part is to complete the chain also of supporting the client from contractor, consultant, and we are a subcontractor in the end, or supplier to our subcontractor. So to complete the chain to support the clients and the projects.
Hello, my name is Sarah de Hert. I work for the headquarters of Rainers Aluminium in Belgium. I'm a product manager active in the company since 7 years now. Rainers for me is a very active and innovative company. We are putting a strategy on the market to work on sustainable products. We innovate and want to be the best in the market with a qualitative product. For me, the conference is a very important event. It breaks open doors, it creates discussion, and we also feel what's alive in the market.